Docstrings. In fact, Python supports only single-line comments. Multi-line comments are not available in Python. The triple double quotes or triple single quotes are actually not multi-line comments, but they are regular strings with the exception that they can span multiple lines. That means memory will be allocated to these strings internally. If these strings are not assigned to any variable, then they are removed from memory by the garbage collector, and hence these can be used as comments. So, using triple double quotes or triple single quotes are not recommended for comments by Python people, since they internally occupy memory and would waste time of the interpreter, since the interpreter has to check them. If we write strings inside triple double quotes or triple single quotes, and if these strings are written as first statements in a module, function, class, or a method, then these strings are called documentation strings or docstrings. These docstrings are useful to create an API documentation file from a Python program. An API, application programming interface, documentation file is a text file or HTML file that contains description of all the features of software, language, or a product. When a new software is created, it is the duty of the developers to describe all the classes, modules, functions, etc. which are written in that software, so that the user will be able to understand the software and use it in a proper way. These descriptions are provided in a separate file, either as a text file or an HTML file. So, we can understand that the API documentation file is like a help file for the end user.